Stress is a normal part of life and can have both positive and negative effects on our bodies and immune systems. In this video, we will explore the effects of stress on the body and immune system. We will look at the versatility of human proteins, the effects of mindful living on gene expression and immune system strength, the benefits of restoring coherence to reduce stress symptoms, and the benefits of being connected to something greater. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how stress affects our bodies and immunity, and how mindfulness can help restore balance. We are all protein-producing machines, and proteins are responsible for the structure and function of every cell in our bodies. It was once believed that we were hardwired to be certain ways and doomed by our genes. However, humans are highly adaptable creatures. Genes can be turned on or off like Christmas tree lights, either making healthy proteins when turned on, or cheaper proteins when turned off. Less than 5 of people born with genetic conditions come from birth, while a staggering 95 to 99 come from lifestyle and behavioral choices made throughout life. This means that you have much more control over your body than previously thought. The human genome, initially thought to have 100,000 genes, has been reduced down to 23,688 after mapping only 300 away from a chimpanzee's genome. There may be over 3,000 variations within one gene, indicating how intricate and changeable genetics truly are. One clear example of genomics affecting us is stress. Stress has a massive impact on our physiology. It can activate hormones such as cortisol, which affects many areas of the body, including the immune system. When the body has been placed under prolonged periods of stress, it becomes unable to fight infections effectively due to its weakened immune system. Understanding how genes shape us helps us understand why we need to take care of ourselves. We can live healthier lives and remain disease-free by avoiding unnecessary stressors. Furthermore, it is important to consider the effect gene mutations can have. Mutations can be either neutral or detrimental to the body. However, all mutations still affect the gene in question, and thus its related function in the body. For example, some gene mutations are linked to increased or decreased risk for certain types and diseases. Genomic studies allow us to better understand the root cause of these diseases, which can lead to better treatment plans and interventions. The effects of mindful living on gene expression and immune system strength are receiving more attention these days, as the importance of reducing stress in our lives becomes increasingly clear. Our genes, hormones, and physiology are all affected by the environment we live in, including our thoughts, choices, behaviors, and experiences, which produce emotions. Stress has a powerful effect on our genes, hormones, and immune system. Fortunately, research has found that teaching individuals how to find the present moment through breathing exercises and making different choices can help regulate 1561 new genes associated with growth and repair, while down-regulating inflammation and disease shown to weaken immunity. Mindful living may draw from an invisible field of vital energy around one's body, which can diminish when mobilizing all this energy for threats real or imagined, thereby weakening our immune system. Mindful living encourages us to pay attention to the present moment without judgment or comparison. This helps us recognize how our body responds not only emotionally but also physiologically when we experience stressful events such as fear or anger, allowing us to make conscious decisions regarding how we choose to respond instead of reacting impulsively, leading ultimately towards greater health well-being. The benefits of restoring coherence to reduce stress symptoms. Stress is something that we all experience to some degree, and it can manifest in various ways. It triggers a wide range of emotions, including anger, frustration, fear, anxiety, and shame, while also taking a toll on our physical health. However, there is a way to reduce the effects of stress on the body. Enter restoring coherence. Restoring coherence is a self-regulation practice that helps us manage our stress response by bringing balance back to the body. This can be done through breathing techniques, mindfulness meditation, and other calming activities that help bring awareness to the mind and body. When we restore coherence, we are able to reduce the physical symptoms of stress, such as headaches, muscle tension, digestive issues, sleep disturbances, and more. We also become better equipped to handle difficult emotions in healthy ways without resorting to unhealthy coping mechanisms or overreacting. Additionally, restoring coherence allows us to tap into our creative problem-solving skills so that we can come up with effective solutions for challenging situations. Ultimately, this leads us towards greater peace of mind and well-being. Restoring coherence involves reestablishing balance within the body by allowing the heart to beat in rhythm again. This helps to restore homeostasis within both the brain and body, so that hormones such as cortisol are no longer overproduced. Research has shown that sustaining an elevated emotion such as gratitude or thankfulness for 10 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day can create this more coherent state within both the heart and brain signals. These signals then travel throughout your physiology, creating greater health and well-being. When we allow ourselves to be in this more coherent state, it increases energy levels while decreasing matter waves. This allows us to tap into our creative center with greater ease and efficiency. It also helps us move away from altered states of consciousness associated with living in survival mode, triggered by stressors or distressors in our lives, enabling us to access higher states of awareness. In these higher states, we can explore new solutions or take inspired action towards our desired outcomes with greater clarity than before. In essence, restoring coherence helps to reduce stress symptoms while increasing immunity levels, allowing us to stay healthier overall. The benefits of being connected to something greater. We are all connected to something greater than ourselves. However, do we take the time to explore the impact this connection has on our bodies and immune systems? Studies have shown that feeling connected to something greater can influence our bodies positively, resulting in lower cortisol levels and increased immune strength. Being connected to something greater can help us stay healthy and resilient. At the core of this connection lies an intentional thought. This type of thought carries information similar to radio waves that resonates throughout our body and creates elevated frequencies carrying information. Focusing on these elevated frequencies has a direct effect on our hormones, physiology, health, and well-being. This allows us to be more resilient during times of stress or illness. Practicing gratitude for just 10 minutes a day has been proven to be one of the most powerful healing tools available today. It is even potentially better than any flu shot available on the market. Taking just 10 minutes out of your day for yourself will not only help you emotionally, but also physically by boosting your immune system naturally through these higher frequencies created by being connected to something greater. It is important to remember that human beings can become addicted not only chemically, but also psychologically, using people, conditions, and problems in life as triggers that reaffirm emotions over time with no real solution or understanding. This can make it difficult for us during moments where peace is needed most yet far away from reach, because we haven't taken the necessary steps towards connecting with what lies deep within ourselves, being connected to something greater than ourselves. So friends, stress can have a profound effect on the body and immune system by increasing cortisol levels, weakening immunity, and leading to physical and mental health issues. However, Taking steps to reduce stress through mindful living and practicing gratitude for 10 minutes a day can help to strengthen immunity, reduce stress symptoms, increase energy levels,
and tap into higher states of consciousness. Being connected to something greater elevates frequencies that carry information throughout our bodies and helps us stay healthy and resilient.
God bless you all,